What if you could unlock the full potential of the internet with the power of artificial intelligence, creating a decentralized, secure, and transparent online presence? This is the promise of Web3, the next generation of the internet, and AI is the key to unlocking its true potential. In this episode, we will explore the current state of Web3, its limitations, and how AI can be used to overcome these challenges. We will also discuss the future implications of AI-driven Web3 integration and provide a comprehensive guide on how to leverage AI for Web3 integration. The concept of Web3 has been around for several years, but it has gained significant attention in recent times due to the growing need for a decentralized internet. Web3 is based on blockchain technology, which provides a secure and transparent way of storing and transferring data. However, the current state of Web3 is limited by its scalability, usability, and interoperability. This is where AI comes in, providing a solution to these challenges and enabling the creation of a more efficient, secure, and user-friendly Web3.
To understand how AI can enhance Web3, we need to delve into the world of AI and its applications. AI has been rapidly advancing in recent years, with significant breakthroughs in areas such as natural language processing, computer vision, and machine learning. These advancements have enabled the development of AI-powered tools and platforms that can be used to enhance Web3. For example, AI can be used to improve the scalability of Web3 by optimizing the underlying blockchain architecture. AI can also be used to enhance the usability of Web3 by providing a more user-friendly interface and improving the overall user experience. One of the most significant applications of AI in Web3 is in the area of smart contracts. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement written directly into lines of code. AI can be used to optimize smart contracts, making them more efficient, secure, and transparent. AI can also be used to analyze and predict the behavior of smart contracts, enabling the creation of more robust and reliable contracts.
While the integration of AI and Web3 has the potential to revolutionize the internet, it also raises several concerns and controversies. One of the main concerns is the potential for AI to exacerbate existing social and economic inequalities. For example, the use of AI in Web3 could lead to the creation of a new class of digital assets that are only accessible to those with the means to invest in them. This could further exacerbate existing social and economic inequalities, leading to a more divided and unequal society. Another concern is the potential for AI to compromise the security and transparency of Web3. For example, the use of AI in Web3 could lead to the creation of more sophisticated and complex smart contracts that are difficult to understand and analyze. This could lead to a situation where the underlying code is not transparent, making it difficult to identify and fix potential security vulnerabilities.
Despite these concerns and controversies, the future implications of AI-driven Web3 integration are significant. The integration of AI in Web3 has the potential to create a more decentralized, secure, and transparent internet, enabling the creation of new and innovative applications and services. For example, AI-driven Web3 could enable the creation of decentralized social media platforms that are more secure and transparent than existing platforms. AI-driven Web3 could also enable the creation of decentralized marketplaces that are more efficient and secure than existing marketplaces. The integration of AI in Web3 also has significant implications for the future of work and the economy. For example, AI-driven Web3 could enable the creation of new and innovative business models that are based on decentralized and autonomous systems. AI-driven Web3 could also enable the creation of new and innovative forms of employment and income generation, such as decentralized freelancing and consulting.
In conclusion, the integration of AI and Web3 has the potential to revolutionize the internet and create a more decentralized, secure, and transparent online presence. While there are concerns and controversies surrounding the integration of AI and Web3, the future implications are significant and far-reaching. To stay ahead of the curve and leverage the power of AI for Web3 integration, we recommend that you start by learning more about the current state of Web3 and its limitations. You can then explore the various AI-powered tools and platforms that are available for Web3 integration and start building your own decentralized applications and services. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more comprehensive guides and tutorials on AI and Web3 integration.